We'll begin a practice of Yoga Nidra, guided visualization for deep relaxation. Inhaling a deep breath, exhaling fully. Allowing yourself to inhale fully and exhale deeply. Allowing your next breath to be deep and diaphragmatic, as if your whole body breathes. Allowing your breath to ebb and flow through your body like a soft ocean's wave that gently comes and gently goes. Taking a lesson out of nature, whatever comes, let it come. Whatever goes, let it go. Cling on to nothing like the breath. Whatever rises, let it rise. Whatever falls, let it fall. Continue to soften your mind as your brain sink into the back of your skull. And allowing your eyeballs to sink into their sockets. Slowly bring your attention and your breath to the space of your heart. As you inhale deeply there, slowly bring your attention to your third eye, that space between the eyebrows. As you inhale deeply there, exhale fully. Slowly bringing your attention to your right eyeball, left eyeball, left eyelid, right eyelid, right eyelashes, left eyebrow, right eyebrow, right temple, left ear, right cheek, left jaw, right jaw, chin. Bring your attention and your breath to your chin. Imagine inhaling through your lower lip, out through your upper lip, in through your upper lip, and exhale through your lower lip. Inhale through both lips and out through your right nostril. Inhale through your left nostril and out through your left nostril. Inhale through your right nostril. Exhale through both nostrils. Inhaling through both nostrils to your third eye. Right brain, left skull, right scalp, left scalp, to the top of your head. Bring your attention and your breath to the crown of your head. And as you exhale down the contours of the back of your skull, the nape of your neck, your right shoulder blade. Bring your attention to your right shoulder joint, elbow, wrist, right hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, thumb and four fingers together, the back of your right hand, the palm of your right hand, the whole of your right hand, wrist, elbow, shoulder, the whole of your right arm, right chest, waist, hip, knee, ankle, right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. All 5 right toes, top of your right foot, sole of your right foot, instep, the whole of your right foot, ankle, knee, hip, the whole of your right leg. Breathing up through your right hip, waist, chest, heart. Settle your mind and your breath at your heart. As you bring your attention over to your left shoulder, shoulder blade, shoulder joint, left elbow, wrist, left hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, left hand thumb and 4 fingers together, the back of your left hand, the palm of your left hand, the whole of your left hand, wrist, elbow, shoulder, the whole of your left arm, left chest, waist, hip, knee, ankle, left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, all 5 left toes, top of your left foot, sole of your left foot, instep, the whole of your left foot, ankle, knee, hip, the whole of your left leg. Bringing your attention to your hip, belly, chest, sternum, right rib cage, left rib cage, back of your body, shoulder blades, mid-back, lower back, pelvis, the entire back body. Breathe into your whole body and imagine exhaling down through your limbs, to your fingers and your toes. And from the furthest reaches of your limbs, breathing up your limbs and bring it all home to your heart. Breathing deeply here at the space of your heart. And watch the ebb and flow of the breath as it comes and goes. And just like nature, allowing that breath to come and go, I'd like to read to you a poem about autumn, Sing to Me by Patricia L. Cisco. Sing to me, autumn, with the rustle of your leaves. Breathe on me your spicy scents that follow within your breeze. Dance with me, autumn, your waltz that bends the boughs of trees. Now tell me all the secrets you've whispered to the seas. Sleep with me, autumn, beneath your starlit skies. Let your yellow harvest moon shimmer in our eyes. Kiss me, autumn, with your enchanting spellbound ways that changes all you touch into crimson golden days. Love me, autumn, and behold this love so true that I'll be waiting faithfully each year to be with you. Slowly becoming aware of your breath as it moves through your body. Notice how your body breathes, letting go of your thinking brains. Be aware of the feelings of your body, the sensations of your breath as it moves through you. Notice the quality of your breath. If it's shallow or deep, short or long, jagged or smooth. Without strain, can you allow your breath to be slow, soft, and smooth? Allowing your breath to cleanse and deeply nourish you down to the cellular level. And without strain, breathing a fuller breath, allowing that breath to reach every cell in your body, nourishing you from the soles of your feet to your fingertips and all the way to the crown of your head. And as you exhale, let that wave of breath wash down through your body and limbs and out through the soles of your feet. Like a soft ocean's tide that comes in to kiss a sandy shore, letting that tide of fresh oxygenated bubbles to cleanse and revitalize you. And as you exhale down through your body, out to the soles of your feet, imagine that ocean's wave removing impurities as it recedes back into the ocean. And just like that, visualizing a soft ocean's wave swinging through you to the top of your head, bringing renewed vitality for your body, mind, and well-being. Exhaling, letting go of tension, toxins, negativity. And in its place, breathing a renewed sense of vitality that cleanses, nourishes, and rejuvenates you down to the cellular level. Slowly bringing your attention back into your body. Notice the parts of you that connects with the earth. Being aware of your skin that connects with the air around you, your environment, and the space in this room. Slowly bringing your awareness a little bit more alert. As we complete the practice of Yoga Nidra, thank you for listening. Swallowing here to release any tension in your throat and jaw. Begin to scrunch your face up, tight, 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 balling up your eyes, scrunching up your nose, pucker up those lips. And as you exhale, soften the skin around your eyes, your nose, your lips, as you open your mouth for a big, wide yawn. Feel free to stick your tongue out to your chin, move your jaw side to side, and begin to lift your limbs. Spread yourself out as you stretch into the skin you're in, moving in any way that feels comfortable for you, bearing in mind not moving may be the most comfortable thing ever.